Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Division Network, which is a Metaverse project.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. And as we said, we are going to be talking about that cryptocurrency today. And as you guys may know, this is not financial advice. So always do your own research. And we hope you guys enjoy these videos.
And just before this video starts, a quick note. This video is being recorded on the 18th of November because we have to record 2 weeks in advance for 2 of those weeks because we will be on holiday during that time, and we still want to be able to push videos out for you guys. So yeah, sorry about that. Just telling you guys in advance. So as you can see here, it's actually been growing quite a bit in the last 24 hours, especially just from the 1 day chart here. It's gone up a whole 40 cents, which is pretty crazy in 1 day from just $1 price range. As you can see, it's got quite a small market cap, $500 million, very small, especially for a metaverse project. They're all pretty much in the billions now. So this has obviously a lot of potential there. But if we look at its all-time high, it was actually 3 days ago, November the 15th, at $2.27. So that wasn't even a $1 billion market cap, even the all-time high to break it. So we're definitely going to break the all-time high. Of course, not financial advice. It's very likely to break the all-time high. Sorry, just due to that. And as you can see here, there's only 266 million tokens in supply right now, actual circulation, which is only 30%. So therefore, there is still another 63% to be released. Sorry, 73% to be released. So therefore, as they do get released, the price does go down because they do have to get bought up. But it is better long term for the price, as once they do get bought up, obviously the price is more inflated as there's more in circulation. So it is a lot better. So if you do want to buy this project, you'd want to get it from out of all of these here, the best one would probably be Gate.io or Bittrex. That's what I would use. Obviously, the reason it's probably not $1 billion market cap yet is literally because it's not on KuCoin or Binance yet. But once they do get listed on Binance, which they usually always do, therefore the price would definitely be going up because of that. But yeah, let's get straight into the video.
As you guys can see here, this division network also incorporates some sort of metaverse-ish ecosystem. And they have got their own ecosystem where they actually provide you from the Binance Smart Chain bridge, where you can actually bridge your tokens. And you can also start your journey within the division world in their website. So there's a lot of different features that they've currently got. And it's definitely interesting on how they actually will grow, because the thing is, there are a lot of ecosystems nowadays that will be incorporating the metaverse ecosystem. So it will be kind of difficult to actually, distinguish between which one will be most popular and which one won't be. So there is going to be a lot of competition, and there's going to be a lot of cryptocurrencies just using the metaverse name for hype. So it's going to be kind of difficult for them to actually grow and kind of provide their own unique selling point, because we're seeing cryptocurrencies that are very, very small, such as OVR, which we have gone through, start to become extremely overbought, because a lot of individuals are noticing that these small cryptocurrencies that are part of the metaverse will essentially end up blowing up in price. And it has pumped over 200%, while these large cap cryptocurrencies are going to find it more difficult in order to pump. The reason being is there are individuals that want to be looking for other cryptocurrencies that are still small, still relatively cheap, and still have a lot of opportunity to continue to pump higher and higher and higher. So depending on the opportunity cost, it might be worth it for individuals to go for the cheaper option. The lower market cap option, since they will most likely be able to double or triple their money in a shorter amount of time. While these cryptocurrencies are larger, however, you know, they still have a lot of opportunity, but compared to like Veracity or VRA or OVR or these cryptocurrencies, is less likely for them to actually grow exponentially.
Of course, the way all the metaverse projects are working is through NFTs. So you purchase them and you actually use them in the metaverse, the actual game itself. And obviously, the more of an early adopter you are, the better, as you'll be getting the low prices. And if you're getting them right at the release, you'll definitely be making some good money there. As they all start around 300 to a grand. And they end up being a lot more than that. So it's definitely worth it if you're looking for the next big metaverse projects and stuff like that. Definitely be good to be looking into the metaverse space. And as you can see here, it's got some very, very good partners. Engine here is really standing out to me, simply because this is a very, very big gaming crypto project. So obviously that will have a lot of use case for a division as a partner. Chainlink, obviously great security, and then we have Matic as well, obviously great, Elrond, all great projects here that are working with them, and obviously it's looking like a Chinese company for Division Network, as you can see from all this Chinese writing, and in the actual game there's a load of Chinese writing in there as well, as you can see all around here. And as you can see here on their marketplace, they've got quite a cool feature here. So you got the NFTs on the Binance Smart Chain, and then you got the Ethereum chain, of course. So depending, I'm assuming obviously the Binance Smart Chain would have smaller fees to the Ethereum ones. But yeah.
Okay, as you can see here, they have got the largest division land sale to be conducted in tripartite collab between Binance NFT and NFCB and the Vision Marketplace. So there is going to be a lot of bidding happening during here, and anyone that wants to get it cheap, most likely will end up getting it during the bidding, and then they can then determine what price they want to list it at. And that's the beauty of NFTs. You can always list at whatever price you want to. There's no certain, maximum or lowest price you can do. You can list it for $1 if you want, or you can list it for $1 million, whatever you want to list it for. This auction will be quite interesting, and yeah, if you guys are interested in this project, make sure you research it and look into it more before you consider bidding on it or something.
So this is now the end of the video. If you have enjoyed, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really helps us out. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your